Hello, viewer. Good afternoon. How are you? Hi, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we are here another evening with MCQ on stock market and banking. So today we select 10 most important burning issue like qualified institutional buyer. What are they? They are the people, they are expertise in stock market and backing with the capacity to afford and settle their financial claim, and they are very big. They have a scale of economy and all kind of mechanism to cut their transactional cost and diversify the risk. So these peoples are having character of expertise, capacity to afford, and big one. And next issue as we go, so that's first, both are correct, capable and having expertise. Next concept we talk about the very important foreign portfolio investor. They are also very similar like qualified institutional investor or buyer, but they operate from foreign lands, either buy or sell other than home countries. So they are foreign portfolio investor. And portfolio, that means they have a number of stocks and number of securities. So, who purchase security in foreign? Yes. Who sell security in the foreign? So, both characters are inbuilt in foreign portfolio investor. So, they are very dominant force in the market because they have equally good in domestic market and as well as international and foreign market. Next, what is alternative investment? What do we mean by alternative? Whenever we do something, we ask for non-conventional things. That's a called alternate investment. In investment, we talk about the debt, equity, common share, preference share, etc. But when we go to has and move other than traditional mode, so we buy some real estate, we use some money in cryptocurrency nowadays is very much in fashion. So this is also a asset class, but and commodity, they are other than traditional investment. So real estate and cryptocurrency are both are correct because they are alternate investment. Next is, what is private equity? In the last term also we talk about the private equity because private equity is unlisted equity, and unlisted private equity is the sharper answer because someone is very small and try to nurture the company and having a significant stake in the company, and when they become big it exit. So private equity is a very new phenomenon in India. In 19 is it start with ICICI Ventures and HDFC Private Venture. So unlisted security and unlisted private security both are correct in case of private equity. Next, what are the angel fund? Basically, I told you the angel investor. Who are the angel investors? Angel means something very heaven bodies. In common word, they are called doot or fraste. So they are very important guys who come at a very beginning stage of your startup and company where nobody is interested to invest in your company. They come as a doot or angel. They help out by giving you a small amount of seed capital and you become a bigger. So fund belongs to a pooled capital, a capital at a very nascent stage. So both characters are belongs to angel fund. Next, high net worth individual. Who are they? They are billionaire and millionaire who start industry. Nowadays, last 10 years, we are seeing a migration of these high net worth individual from India and other part, whatever be the region, but they are very important person who start industry and provide a job. So liquid asset worth of 1 million US dollar is a benchmark to call high net worth individual. So option 1 is correct. If you have liquid asset 2 million USD, also you are in category of high net worth individual. So both are correct because the minimum threshold is you have to be liquid asset and worth is more than 1 million US dollar. Next, venture capital. Whenever we talk about the angel investor, we forget the venture capital. That's not good. Angel investor, which provide minimum support at the very beginning, and venture capitalists are bigger houses. They provide money when you are in a running stage for big financial aid, and they heavily invested. So type of private equity, venture capital category, both are the same, but at the startup level, when your companies grow little bit sizable, when your business is growing, now your capital is increasing, now you are famous, but not too much famous to go to IPO and other security market. So these guys will help you, and the fund is known as venture capital. Type of private equity and capital at a running stage, both are the correct. Next, pension fund. This is a bigger pool of fund in Europe. Mostly you have heard green bond in India. So most of the money from Canada, France and Germany are pooled in this issue. So pension fund is the pooled money, collective fund. Both are synonymously used, so both are correct. When we pool small money for a person who desire to have a pension. Now big debate on old pension and new pension. So both money who will contributed by the government or the individual pooled, this become a pension fund. That is very sizable amount in foreign country but not in India. Next is common stock. It's commonly known as common stock, means equity share with having voting right. Preference share is not in category of common stock. Normally, because it's given a preference, because it's not subject to trade in freely in the market. So those who are freely market or commonly available to the person having voting right is a right answer for the common stock. So answer first is correct. Equity share with the voting right. Next is foreign currency convertible bond issued in currency other than home. That is one character. Convertible in equity, this is the second character. So both the character must be in a foreign currency convertible bond. This is in a very much form because most of the people are buying these days because of taking hedging and advantage of foreign exchange rate. So foreign currency convertible bond issued in currency other than home. If somebody issues currency, euro currency, other than Indian, other than Japani people invest in India, so they all in category generated in home and traded in foreign countries. So issued in currency other than home, convertible into the equity is both the character found in foreign currency convertible bond. So thank you very much for today. Today we talk about the qualified institutional buyer, foreign portfolio investors. We talk about alternate investment. We talk about the private equity. We talk about the angel fund. We talk about the high net worth individual. We talk about the venture capital. We talk about the pension fund. We talk about the common equity share. We talk about the foreign currency convertible bond. I hope you should be clear and fantastic journey of doing MCQ a very important insight about the stock market and banking. This process will continue with your support. Please like and hit the button to be part of Finance Typhoon. And we are having a lot of messages and mail. My team is enthusiastic by your response. Thank you so much.